Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 weeks and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 weeks of July. Look at the chart of crude. What you can see that there is a pattern forming. If you look at the pattern closely, I have already explained you in all my videos, mostly in videos, that whenever it goes upside we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, and if you look at this chart, we have seen again, this is for the sixth time we have seen this fall. Okay, but if this particular swing sustain, because every time whenever this swing sustain we have seen another new high. Okay, this was the fifth time it has moved upside. Now it has come down. So what we can see, suppose if this particular level sustain this swing, we can see it can move further upside. Okay, now what you can see looking at the chart for the next 15 days or the next 2 weeks of July. So before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other position, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video. Okay, then you will understand how technical works, and a telegram link also I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, now a pattern is forming. Okay, and one more thing that we have seen, this swing is already being made here. Okay, and I've already explained you the whenever it goes high, we have seen a swing at the bottom of it. Okay, suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside. It can touch a level of 104.92, and this 104.92 is just a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 108.95. Okay, and once the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $109.8, and once if it goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 114.34. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $116, and from go further upside. Now see, once if it goes above that level, you can see a continuous movement. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, as we know the market will not go directly in one direction or in the opposite direction. It will halt for some time, then move upside in the same way. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down to a level of $95.52, and this particular level, what we can see that $95.52 is a weak support, so probability is very high. We can see it can move further down towards a level of $92.39. okay, and suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $90.15. okay, and this $90.15 is a weak support, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further down towards a level of $88. okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 85.23, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $77. When the price goes below $77, then we can see it can move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, and once the price goes below 77, you can see a probability of touching further down is very high, and you can see it can move towards a level of 68 also. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please